Imagine a market that never sleeps, where opportunities arise every minute, regardless of time or location. In this arena, borders vanish as traders connect globally. Welcome to Forex trading, celebrated for unmatched liquidity and ceaseless innovation. Today, we embark on an enlightening journey to unveil the advantages of this dynamic market and invite you to explore its potential for financial growth. Forex trading is the exchange of one currency for another in a decentralized market operating around the clock. Offering remarkable flexibility, it merges modern technology with fundamental economic principles. With daily transactions exceeding $7.5 trillion, high liquidity attracts traders worldwide. This robust activity facilitates swift trade execution and constant opportunity. As you enter this market, you engage in a delicate balance of risk and reward that challenges and excites in equal measure. In India, rising financial literacy sparks unprecedented interest in Forex trading. Modern platforms, powered by innovative technology, make it simple to participate in global markets. With just a smartphone or computer, anyone can access live data, analyze trends, and execute trades without barriers. This accessibility has transformed Forex from an exclusive domain into a practical wealth management tool, supported by expert advice and community resources. Yet, with opportunity comes challenge. Market volatility is a constant in Forex trading, demanding diligent risk management. The lure of substantial returns often clashes with unpredictable currency fluctuations. Traders counter these risks by setting stop-loss orders, controlling position sizes, and diversifying trades. These measures safeguard investments while leaving room for growth. Embracing these strategies turns every trade into a lesson in disciplined decision-making and emotional resilience. Technology revolutionizes Forex trading. Advanced platforms deliver real-time data, dynamic charts, and intuitive infographics that simplify market trends. Automated algorithms and analytical tools help blend technical analysis with economic news to craft informed strategies. These digital innovations transform complex trading processes into accessible experiences for both professionals and beginners, making the market more approachable and empowering traders to build confidence in their financial decisions. Leverage is one of Forex trading's most attractive features. It lets you control larger positions with modest capital, potentially amplifying profits. Yet, this advantage carries risks and demands measured strategies. Responsible use of leverage combined with stringent risk controls turns potential rewards into sustainable success. Balancing high reward with caution unlocks consistent growth in the Forex market. Forex trading offers benefits beyond profit. It grants flexibility and independence by enabling trades at almost any time. Indian traders use Forex to diversify portfolios and hedge against currency fluctuations. Real-world examples show individuals and businesses leveraging these advantages to fortify their financial positions while adapting to global economic shifts. Reflect on a journey where knowledge turns uncertainty into action. Every market trend and indicator educates and empowers. Forex trading is more than profit hunting. It is a disciplined blend of innovation, risk management, and personal growth. Embrace learning, stay informed, and trust your instincts in this ever-evolving financial landscape. Begin your Forex journey today. Empower yourself, trade wisely, and transform your financial future. Every step taken in the Forex market builds your expertise and resilience. Embrace the journey with passion and patience and watch as knowledge transforms your financial prospects. Your future awaits with endless promise. Like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel.